Number 20, what a winner. Beautiful. Hello, all you wonderful roulette players. Welcome back to the channel. It's Monday morning. Let's get to it, right? I saw this video on the Roulette Masters. He called it, I believe, no losses. This video is going to change your life, or this strategy is going to change your life. One of the two. But obviously, it was an attention grabber, and it did. It grabbed me, and I thought, okay, let's see what it is and what it's about. This gentleman, I think his name was Jesse, sent it into the Roulette Masters and said, tired of losing. This is one that I have not lost yet. And that was whenever it came out. And so, you know, take that into consideration as well. I'm calling it, just me, I'm calling it 8 is great, because it's all about $8 in play. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about in just a second. Okay, now the Roulette Master does suggest, and I'm sure Jesse had a lot of input, $2,000 is the bankroll. And I can definitely see how this one can get out of hand. However, for me, I'm always looking at $500 per strategy. Now, if I want to invest more, yeah, I can do. But the reality is, I don't like to risk more than $500 on unknown strategies. So, well, unknown to me at least, okay? And I've done strategies similar to this, but I like the way this progresses. And also, the coverage is decent. Not great, but it's decent. Okay, with that said, let's get to it. Just wanted to cover the bases. Now, the Roulette Master, when he does it, and I'll put it in the description, he does it with a single zero, okay? Which, if you can, definitely do it that way. But we got two of them, so I'm covering them. He does suggest to put it in the basket, but just go with the 0 or double zero. At least you're getting decent pay when you get paid. And you're going to cover 8 corners. Okay, sorry, 6 corners. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These two are jackpot, these two, and these two. 6 jackpot numbers plus, this is actually now a jackpot number. Okay, you're going to get paid 17 to 1. And of course, the last bet is going to go on the second dozen. Second column, my mistake. Second column. So now anything in the center, you're going to get paid here. But it's only a partial, it's going to be a partial loss if you get a 35, right? 26, 23. So you can see how you get partial losses. You got 26 numbers covered, but unfortunately you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them that are going to be partial losses. So let's get to it and see whether or not we can make any money. Now, I've done quite a bit of practicing on it. It does pay, but it has pushed my bankroll around. So if you do this one, remember, $500 is not enough to go to the table, even though I have it on the board. Sometimes you just get lucky. And the fact is, I've gone many, many spins without hitting these 2, 4, 6, and 8. So don't expect those to show up. Now, this is just an amazing hit right out of the gate, 20. It's a jackpot number. Nice. So all of these are losses, okay? But we're going to get paid 8, 16, 17, 18 bucks here. $18 winner. Nice. 3 and 3 more. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Because these are losses. So I'm going to get this. And I'm also going to give that back and take 3 more. There you go. Take all of our losses back. Beautiful. And we're going to win. All right, so let's get it back on the board the way we had it, because we don't need to gamble more than we need to. When you lose, you go up, even if it's a partial loss, you go up 1 unit. Only 1 unit every single time you lose, even if it's a partial loss. But that was a nice hit. And with that, we've got, I think, $12 worth of profit. Profit tray, loss tray. So that was a great start, guys. And again, you need those jackpot numbers every so... Oh, that is unbelievable. Back to back. Boy, this is going to be a short video, guys. We're trying to win 50 to 100 bucks, but right now, you know, it's awesome. All right, so with that said, we win 18, right? 8, 16, 17, 18, but we're going to lose $5. All right, so we're going to pick up, what's that? 18. So we're going to pick up 13 bucks, right? So my apologies, 13 bucks. That's what we're going to pick up after all the losses. You know, I'll just do it so it makes it easy for everybody, because I know occasionally people go, hey, you didn't break it down properly. Okay, $8. That pays off both of those corners, and then the $2 pays off that. Beautiful. Nice. Love it. Put our bets back on the table, and we walk away with 13 bucks. We're actually up $26 right now, because we won the same thing last time, right? We had back-to-back 20s. Unbelievable. It's been so long since I've seen that number show its face. Ah, that was beautiful. 2 back-to-back jackpot numbers. I hope I can do that when I play for real. Let's see what happens. Wow, back-to-back. This looks way too easy, but believe me. Oh, 27. Okay, good. That's a bit more realism to it. Complete loss. We lose $8. 27. We lose $8. Gone. No worries. Alternate the wheel. Spin again. All right, good. Now we're back to reality. We've got $8 in play, and we just got a loser. Quick swig. Oh, 24. Another back-to-back losers. Now that makes me feel a little better, because now it's kind of balanced well. Oh, sorry guys, you know something? When you get a loser, which we did on 27, you're supposed to go up 1 unit, okay? So now we got 24, we just lost 16 bucks. My apologies, I was too busy drinking tea and forgot to go up. We just lost again, so now we need to go up again. All right, so my apologies on that. I was a little slow on the pickup. No, not to worry, we've got it covered. We didn't miss anything. Now, of course, we need a good number again. Not that we're still in good shape, okay, based on losses versus profit. But come on, I don't want this video to be really, really long. We're in 7 minutes so far, so 14. Good number, but not good enough. We're going to win $6, right? Because it's going to be a winner down here. $6. 3, 6, but we're going to lose 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 bucks. Got to give up 15, and we're going to go up another unit. So now we're at $4 on each, which is $32 in play. 32 bucks. We need to get a winner, or even a partial. But getting all these 24, 27, and 14 suck, but they're gonna happen. You're not always gonna get the 20s. Yes! Finally the greens pay off. They're my friend. All right, we haven't done this one yet, so I'm gonna break it down. We're gonna get $4 times 17. Let me just do a quick calc. We all knew that that was 68 bucks. Thank you. Nice. And that should put us in pretty good, healthy position. Nice. 10, 20, 30, 40. 60. And we are looking for another $8. I know what you're going to say, guys. We make $1 on the whole equation. That's okay. I'd rather have that than it be there. Okay, so that's a good hit. And we are in session profit, so that's the other important part here. Otherwise, we would stay put at the $4 mark. But we're going to be happy to put it on the board. We've got all of our losses back. We put $1 in the profit tray, and now we are going to go back to being at the base level. Nice. Thanks, Jesse. Appreciate that. Nice hit. Woo. A little scary, but I can see how it can attack the bankroll very quickly if you're just getting back to back to back bad numbers. So be aware of that, guys. It can go that way. But right now, we are getting good numbers. And after really bad ones too. So it's kind of nice to kind of get a balance of numbers. 32, beautiful. If you remember, we're going to walk away with $13 after losing these 5. Okay, we're going to get paid here, here, and here. 13 bucks. There it is. $13 comes from the bank, and we have picked it up. Nice. Let's alternate the wheel and go again. We're up 10, 20, 30, 40 something dollars right now. So we are well on our way to our 50 bucks. So, and we're right at 10 minutes. So it's kind of like almost perfect. So a couple of losses and then a big win. And we have a great video. 28. On this one, we're going to lose everything except for here. We're going to pick up 16, right? Sorry. We're going to pick up 8. My apologies. We're going to pick up 8 bucks. We're going to lose 7, pick up 1 unit. Love it. It's profit, so it goes in the tray. Let's go again. 28 on the board. Nice. We don't mind those. Those are positive numbers. But obviously we're looking for 8 numbers here. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Those are the ones that put money in our pocket. 19, it's going to be another $1 winner. And it happens to be profit. Love it. 19 goes on the board. Come on. Bring it home. Nice big hit. How about another 20? It's been so long. I'm being sarcastic, obviously. But we'll definitely take it. 8. Okay. $13 winner, guys. Tell you what, I'm just going to take 15 and give back 2. Is that okay? There it is. And yeah, number 8. Love it. Thank you. We'll do one more win. And I think I'm golden. But we'll see. Let's keep playing here. We're at 10, 20, 30, 40. We've got to be probably right at 50, if not just over 50 bucks right now. Quick swing. Number 30. That's another $1 winner. Nice. $1 winner. We'll take it. I don't mind making $1 every single time. But you know how these things work? They don't always work perfect. I figure that we've been kind of lucky here. We got those 2 20s right out of the gate. That was beautiful. It normally doesn't work like that. Other than that, it's been about normal. Oh, you know, the Roulette Master has his here. It's a 2. It's going to be a partial loss. We're going to win $2 here, which means these 2 are safe. But we're going to lose 5 bucks. Got to give it up, guys. $5 loss. And you know what we do. We go up 1 unit on everything. That 2. Maybe I should kind of bring it into the basket, but no, I'm staying with my first thought, and that is on the greens. If I only had a single 0, that's what I would do. 18, nice. Okay, we'll definitely take it. Beautiful. $2 winner. Take 5. I'm taking $2, putting it back in my bankroll. 2 bucks. Nice. Okay, alternate. Let's go again. Eventually, you're going to get the jackpot numbers, but sometimes you can go 20 spins without seeing any of those, guys. So be prepared. And that's why the Roulette Master pushes pretty hard that the bankroll needs to be greater than 500. He's got 2,000 bucks out there. So, and I can see how, if you were prepared, I could see how you could possibly need it, especially if you get into a really bad session of ugly numbers. I'm just not prepared to put $2,000 on the table for that. That's all. Now, if it was a strategy that I really believed in, yes, I probably would. Forgot to mention, 29 is a freaking jackpot number. And we're at level 2. So with that, I think we're done actually, guys. Oh, 29. So those are all losses. 16, 32, 36. So we're going to get paid 4 bucks here because it's 2 to 1. So 32 plus 4, 36 bucks. Nice. These are all losses. 10, 20, 30, 33, $36 in total. And I think that is enough for us to walk away, guys, and be happy. Or you should be happy. At least I would be happy at the casino with this one. This was a good session. Good session. So I don't want to overstay my welcome. There's 40. Well, obviously I need that, so that's good. That's why you always count up, just to make sure. There's my 400, beautiful. So there's my bankroll, 500 bucks, and this is all profit, right? Nice. On my way to Minneapolis, then Sioux Falls this week, guys. There's 50, 60, 70, 75, 79 bucks. $79 winner. That's freaking awesome. Sorry. There it is. So 79 bucks. I mean, right in the middle as far as I'm concerned. Very happy with that. It's a nice strategy, Jesse. I like it. I could see how you need a bigger bankroll. 500 worked for me this time. Probably would work for you most times, but I don't think I would play this without at least $1,000 bankroll, at least. So thank you, Jesse. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Roulette Master, for putting it on there, and I'll link his video in the description. Thanks, guys. Have a great week. Let's get after it. Catch you later. Bye-bye.